Karibuni sana kila mtu. I want to do another video. The song is Umeweka Wimbo Kinywani Mwangu. That's the song. Wewe uke. That is the song. Now, I have a beat here. This is 6/8. If you want such kind of beats, you can inbox me. That's the number there. This is all that we want to do. That's the song. By cameraman, you can come closer a little bit so that you may show people what we are doing. Now, I believe that you have watched my videos and you are conversant with the number system and lesson 1 that I've been teaching you. I believe that you know number system. So the song is starting here. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Starting that kind of it is starting from F sharp all the way to this is A sharp. Look at those notes. That is B. Finishing with our diminished chord. You can see the diminished chord. And number 5. Alright? Acha niende pole pole. That's how it is. So let's do it now. Wewe